Hi there. Lately I was tinkering in RPG in a Box, which was a free game on Epic Store some time ago. I think it was in December last year. So, if you have it, here's how you can use it. This will be kind of basic kind of tutorial. Because I just don't know how to use it fully. I just know the basic of basic stuff. Basics of basic stuff. Yeah, something like that. So if you run RPG in a box, here's what will you see, what will you see. Here's a game manager. You can select and edit your previous games, some other projects. But we will create a new one. So here it comes. Create new game. First of all, we will need to think about a title for our game. So I will call this The Forest, just because. Now we have to create a folder or select if it's existing for our project, for files of our project. The Forest RPG. Okay, select current folder, and here you can choose from pre-made templates of game using different assets. Okay, so since I want to show you everything from scratch, we will choose a blank project for now. And here is the main game window. So in Game Explorer you have a tree of folders representing different kind of assets. Here are the maps, tiles, objects, characters, dialogues, scripts, music, etc, etc. And here are the game configuration options in which you can change stuff also. Terrain follows smoothly. Yeah, okay. So first of all, we will need some objects that we will place in our map editor, which will be the floor on which our character will move. So in voxel editor, click new and select the type. It has to be a tile. I will name mine grass. Here you can set dimensions in voxels, but you can also do it later. And here is the information which we need to provide if this tile is possible and our character will be able to walk on it, or it's just something that blocks character's way. Since it will be grass in our case, let's set it to possible. And grass is flat plane, so I will reduce the height of my grass tile. And okay, so I'm in the voxel editor now, and in model tools tab I have few different tools to manipulate my voxels. Now my canvas is empty, so I can add a voxel now I'm in box mode. I have also a voxel and face mode. So in box mode, if you click and drag, it will add a rectangle of voxels. In voxel you can switch it using shortcuts like B, V and F. So in voxel I'm adding just, it's like painting just with cubes. Very nice. Ctrl Z is undo, so because I don't need that. Well, maybe I'll add some. And over here we have painting tool, so we can change the color of our voxel. And here is the tool that will remove the voxel. We click each of these tools except the bucket tool, replace color. Have this 3 options. So let's make our grass. Here is our grass tile. Well, it's kind of boring color, so what we can do, we can of course add some color variation, but it can be hard since we want this to be seamless. So when we place tile next to another tile of the same type, we won't see the repeating pattern. So what we can do, we can select a color, copy its value, and over here in the voxel editor we have noise generator. So we can paste, oh shoot, I copied it again. Paste this color and generate noise. You can change the settings, that's okay. And here is how it will look like in the game. So I'm gonna save this, and since I'm here I will duplicate this tile, right click in the, how is it called, come on, tooltip, never mind, over here, right click, duplicate, grass 1, okay, and I will add some variations, add another dimension to this, so by adding those little strands of grass, maybe I will come on. Okay, save this one. Now we have two tiles, so we can actually create some ground for our players. So in the map editor, click new, name it world 1, and here we can choose our tiles, which tile we want to use, and just by dragging and dropping we can add more tiles. Okay, over here you can change the camera. I like this one, it's free camera. With the middle mouse you can look, and WASD keys will move your camera. Okay, so here's our floor, ground, whatever. I will add now some variation, add some tiles with strands. Yet it's still a little bit boring, so I think we need to add some maybe dirt paths or something like that. So let's duplicate this one. Oh, I edited the wrong one. Oh, never mind. Duplicate this one, call it grass path, and double click on it. And now we will do same thing as we did with the noise generation for grass, but first, using selection tool, we'll select this side and this side. Well, it actually doesn't matter if you select this like that. So because we can rotate the tile later. Come on, Tom. Okay, so I selected this part, holding shift to select also this part of the tile, Control C to copy this. Now select some dirt color, copy this value and generate some dirt. As you can see, it replaced everything, but if I now paste what I copied, it's pasting my grass tiles. I need to accept the new position, and here is our path. Okay, so let's save this tile. You can, for example, pick this color and add some variation. Well, let's leave it that way. Save this, and now we can add a path to our world. Of course, as you can see, it's not connecting very well. It's not connecting at all, actually. So what I will do, I will need to add 3 more tiles to be able to make the path placing system, I guess. So let's duplicate this plane 1, grass path T. Let's edit this. Come on. Now I will select this part, and this part. Ctrl C, copy the color, generate some noise, paste. Okay, accept the new position of added voxels, and maybe I will add some variation. Okay. Okay. Maybe too much over here. Okay, something like that will do. Save this. So in map editor I can place this new tile, and as you can see it's connecting quite nicely with the rest. Now, using same technique, I will create grass path turn. Okay, so turn, I will need this, and this. Ctrl C, generate some noise, paste, accept. No, I need to pick this color. Okay, something like this will do. Save this, and since I'm here, this will be my turn tile. I will duplicate this one again. Grass path crossing. Let's edit this, and this time I will need these tiles, these voxels, and these voxels. Ctrl C, generate, okay, paste, and I will leave it that way. Accept the position, save, and now and with these tiles I can actually build any path, or almost any path I want. If I haven't mentioned, with the right mouse button you can rotate the direction of the tile. Okay, so let's make something really quick. Okay, let's say it goes all the way over there. Now, We have our map, but it's still a little bit boring. So what we will do, we will save this just in case, and we will add an object. We will add a tree. You can do it by right clicking on objects folder, clicking new, or in this objects tab click this plus sign. Let's call it a tree. It will be really simple tree because I don't want to spend all day creating this. Here's a tree stump, and now let's add some volume to this. I wish there was an easier way to do it, but I don't think there's easier way to do it or faster way. How about I just need to, will this be okay? I can, well, it kinda worked. I will just remove this part and this part, and now I have something that resembles a tree. Sorry if I hit the mic. Okay. This should make this tree a little bit more round. Sadly, when you're adding an object, there is no noise generator, so you just can't add color variation to this. Okay. Okay, so you get the point how it can be done. You can use different color and not box. Oh, well, maybe I could use a box. Now, single voxel, add some colors. course, you can spend so much time doing this. I would love to see more painting tools for this, so you can smooth the colors and yeah. Anyway, here is our tree, so we can place this in our world. Well, actually it doesn't look like a tree. Anyway, now we have very interesting world with barrel trees. So now we can add our character. So let's name this object player, and this will be really quick, I hope. So let's add legs, maybe some pants, okay. And body. Oh man, those shoulders. Okay. And some hands. Okay. Oh, maybe let's add belt like that. And a head. Paint some eyes. And hair. Okay. So here is our little man. He's not that high, so we can. Come on, what's going on? Okay, that's okay. Let's save him. And now, to play our game, we will need a starting script. This script will load our map in the game. We don't need to add character to the game. When you add a character to the game, it will become NPC, no matter if it's called player or yeah. So these are NPCs, and we will add a script that will load our World 1 map. So in script tab, click new, call it start or whatever. And where is, oh, I think I user interface. Shoot. Normally you would see the visual code editor. Oh, here it is, script editor. Okay, how do I enable? No, not the full screen. Oh, okay, so here it is. Here's the visual script editor. Of course you can edit script using writing the functions, and I recommend it to you just to learn how to write the code rather than using this this node, visual node system. Here is the basic scripts. It just says when script starts, it just displays the message hello world. We don't need that, so I can delete this, and over here in script tools you have bunch of functions and logic that you can drag and drop over here, and it will do stuff for you. But since we need to load our map, so in available functions I will search for load map, drag it over here, and it's already connected. If not, just drag here, and that's it. Well, almost that's it. I want my character to start the game over here. Looking east, so I need to on this tile, I want the player to start on this tile, so I need this coordinates. So right click on this tile using selection tool and copy X, Y and Z coordinate, and return to script editor and paste this, and I think it should look at east. Well, doesn't really matter now, so let's save the script, save our map. Be sure to check if every asset you made is saved, because the game won't launch. Well, it will launch with what it's got saved last. So if you made any changes, make sure to save those changes. Now press quick play, and this is one time only, so we need to select our starting script and our player character. Okay, and the game is starting. There are options you can set. New game. Game is loading, and yeah, he should look at west. Okay, so you can right click and the player will walk. Hello twin. Hello. Later we will add some interaction with objects. Not sure if if it will be NPC, or I don't know, maybe we can pick apples from trees or something like that. But this I will show you this the next time. So yeah, oh, maybe one more thing. I just learned this today. If you go to the settings and in gameplay you can select the custom preset, and camera type set it to first person perspective, first person actually. And here you can, in experimental tab, you can turn on the free movement. Let's start our game again. Oh, I forgot to change the looking direction. Oh, yeah. And here it is. You can walk around, say hello to your little friends. Huh. I can't pass through him, but he can pass through me. Well, I can pass through him when he's walking. Anyway, here's that. Next time I will show you some more scripting and some more cool things. So see you next time.